Okay, so all these applications that I'm going to show you in this video are not at all sponsored. I have used some of these applications in the past, so that's why I'm showing these apps in this video. So yeah, before starting this video, why don't you drop me a like and also subscribe to brosmart tech for more videos just like this one. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First on the list is IM. IM is a free platform where photographers can upload their pictures, build a fan base and also earn money. It is just like Instagram with only photography based content. IM has some of the best photographs by the talented photographers. Signing up is free. You can upload any type of photos. Whether you are a mobile photographer or a pro DSLR photographer, the device doesn't matter. If you are talented, people will like your photos and follow you. You can show your work to the community and build a portfolio. The additional feature is IM Market. While uploading a photo, you will get an option to add that photo to the marketplace. If you think the photo is exceptional, then add it to market. Look, if your photos are average or have flaws, then it won't get accepted. As you can see, some of my own photos haven't been accepted, but these got selected. Just read the terms and conditions before adding a photo to the market. It will help you get faster approval. I'm new to this platform. If you are on IM, then do check out my photographs and also if you can follow me. You can earn up to 50% from the marketplace, and also IM will distribute it to other stock photography sites for more revenue. IM is one of the best and reputed photography platforms you can trust and use to earn money through photography. You can also install the Shutterstock contributor app to upload your photos on Shutterstock. I'm 100% sure you have heard of Shutterstock. It is one of the most popular stock photography sites where you can upload your images and earn money when someone downloads your photo. It's wonderful. If you click photos with your mobile, you can edit and upload on this app. Once the photo gets approved, every time someone buys your photo, you will earn money and it will get transferred to your PayPal or bank account. It's authentic and people actually earn well through these sites. The link of the Shutterstock contributor will be in the description below. You can join Shutterstock as a contributor for free and start earning by selling your best photographs. Now if you're not into photography, you can use the Make Money app. With this app, you can earn money by completing simple tasks inside the app. What you have to do is just watch some videos, test new apps, complete surveys and also test services. The application has 4.6 star rating and 5 million downloads. I have used it for a couple of days and yeah, you can use it for time pass and earn a few bucks. You just need a PayPal account and that's it. Apart from these Android applications, you can also use the app Grow to invest in mutual funds and earn money. If you are an adult, then do some research on Grow. Grow is a trusted and reputed app that you can use to make your money grow. In this app, you can invest in stocks too. Now it's okay if you don't know these terms, you can learn about all these on YouTube. Grow shows detailed yearly returns, graphs, and you can use this calculator to calculate mutual fund returns by putting the amount of money you want to invest and the duration. The app will show the top mutual funds to invest in, and also there are categories like high return, high risk or low risk. Same with the stocks. I didn't start investing now on this app, but I'm thinking of investing through this app in future. And I want to mention it clearly, this is not a sponsored video. I found these applications. So yeah, I found Grow, and by looking at the rating and downloads, it is a good app. Next up is Google Rewards. Let me share a secret with you. Every month I showcase the best icon packs and the best KWGT widgets. Sometimes those are paid apps. I use the money I earn by taking surveys on Google Rewards to buy paid apps and games on Play Store. Yes, you cannot transfer the money to your bank account or Paytm, but what you can do is perform in-game transactions like buying UC on PUBG or buying paid apps. The surveys are not frequent, but in a month you can earn something like 100 to 400 rupees. If you save this money, you can also buy RP in PUBG. Just keep the application on your phone, take a few surveys and increase the play amount. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then smash the like button and also subscribe to brosmart for more videos just like this one. So thank you so much for watching. This is brosmart and I will see you guys in my next video.